introduce the bill in the Parliament after the Cabinet goes through the recommendations, suggestions given by the honourable members of the Andhra Pradesh Assembly. Therefore, the process has completed another milestone which was necessary in the bifurcation of the state. As far as the resolution is concerned, it does not affect the constitutional provisions under Article 3 for the creation of a new state in Indian Union.
But
okay?
How do you see the
Assembly rejected the Telangana bill? Don't you think
No, it is not rejected. It is not voted. Telangana bill was not voted. A resolution moved by the Chief Minister was passed by voice vote. There are two different things.
बिहार में भी पहले रिजेक्ट हुआ था, बाद में बेंच ने फिर दोबारा वो पास कर दिया था.
ऐसा नहीं था. एक बात याद रखिए, the bill is sent for comments, not for a vote on the bill. There is no vote on the bill.
But
how do you look at the Chief Minister's move, sir? Despite of
It was predicted.
Sir, what will be your step in this issue? What will be your step? What will be the step from your side to push this bill in AP Assembly to be passed?
I have no role to play.
sir, don't you think
It is for the government of India to introduce the bill.
Sir, don't you think it comes under anti-party, since it's
On this issue, because of the contentious issues and the strong views held by the two sections of Andhra Pradesh congressmen, people from Telangana and people from Seema Andhra, the Congress party has allowed a free vote on this.
Sir, do you think that Telangana bill will be passed in the parliament session?
We are trying our best.
सर राज्यसभा में रेबल कैंडिडेट भी खड़ा हो गया था आंध्र प्रदेश में.
हाँ, दो लोग खड़े हुए हैं, उस पर हम लोग विचार कर रहे हैं और कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वो विड्रॉ करें.
सर अमेंडमेंट्स इसमें शामिल होते
जी,
अमेंडमेंट्स
जो अमेंडमेंट दिए हैं वो कैबिनेट उस पर विचार करेगी. उसमें अगर कुछ उचित राय होगी, कुछ अच्छे सजेशंस होंगे तो उसमें शामिल करने का विवेक कैबिनेट को है.
So you mean to say that there won't be any action against the Chief Minister or his deeds?
On this issue, we have allowed the Congress people from Seema Andhra and Telangana to voice their concerns only regarding the issue of bifurcation of the state because it's a sensitive issue.
So Telangana leaders are saying, since Chief Minister is behaving like United Andhra, Seema Andhra CM, he is no moral right to continue.
Well, I've told you that on the issue of bifurcation, because of the strong views held by both Seema Andhra congressmen and Telangana congressmen, we are not interfering in this, and we have allowed them to voice their concerns and voice their opinion.
Is there a possibility of having presidential suspension of assembly?
Well, that is for the government of India to look at.
Sir, some of the Congress MLAs supported the rebel candidates in Rajya Sabha election.
Yes.
Not taking any.
No, because the official candidate had not been announced. So therefore, they had signed earlier, but they have also given in writing to say that we are withdrawing their proposal.
Are you confident to get the 3 seats, sir?
100%.
So all the leaders, Seema Andhra and Telangana leaders, including all the parties, vertically divided in the regional lines. So do you think continuation of this government till the bill passage will be correct?
The continuation of this government doesn't depend on this. Yes, you were asking something. It's not rejected the bill. No, it has rejected the resolution.
Resolved to reject, sir.
No, resolution is different from the bill. The bill is not put to vote in the Andhra Pradesh Assembly. It is sent for comments, and the comments we have received.
Sir, BJP, don't you think BJP will oppose this, sir?
After this resolution, if Government of India moves ahead and put the bill in the Parliament, it will be an arbitrary decision and against to federal spirit.
No. In fact, the government of India had allowed the people to give their opinion repeatedly forum, to the extent that in the all-party meeting, all those political parties who are opposing the bifurcation now had given in writing supporting the new state of Telangana. So therefore, we have to take that as their opinion, and on that basis, the bill was introduced.
So there are suggestions from Seemandra region, like Polavaram land should be given to.
Yes, all such issues would be discussed in the cabinet, and if found suitable, they will be incorporated in as an amendment to the bill.
So after this decision, what will be the fate of Congress party in Seemandra region? There are.
You have to wait till May 2014. Thank
Are
you.
you confident?
Yes.
will be,
Well,
strong in
Sir, on 4th
Seemandra?
February,
You can't say I'm not confident.
GOM meeting is there. On 4th February,
on 4th February,
GOM meeting is there, sir.
GOM.
that is for the GOM chairman to decide. GOM chairman is Mr. Shinde.
So is there possibility of extending the house, the present house, since this division process is there? So
I don't think so. Let's see.